Hello everyone. In this video I am going to talk about aldol condensation. So this is the actually very important reaction in organic chemistry. So in this presentation actually I am going to talk about mechanism of aldol condensation. So let's start. So aldol condensation actually this is the reaction. So it's happening between two carbonyl compound like a aldehyde or aldehyde ketone. So ketone. So this is the general, this is one of example for aldol reaction. So I have aldehyde here, this aldehyde, and then when it's react, then when we have base and water, and then when we heat this one, so we can end up with this product. So this is the product. So this aldol we call aldol condensation product. So we end up with this kind of product. So we are going to talk about mechanism for this reaction. So it's very simple. So start with mechanism. So we have this aldehyde. So we have aldehyde here. So this aldehyde actually it contains alpha hydrogen. So those are the alpha hydrogen. So those hydrogen actually a little bit acidic. So because of this acidity, so when we have base like a sodium hydroxide, so I'm using base like this because sodium hydroxide. So when we have this base, so this base got this acidic hydrogen, and then we have this kind of bond breaking. So we end up with like this enolate ion. So okay, so this is our next intermediate, and then we have bunch of aldehyde molecule in our reaction pot, and then there's another when we have another aldehyde, so we can use same aldehyde here. So we have this one same aldehyde because bunch of molecule around this enolate ion. So then this bond, this enolate ion again make bond with make bond and then attack to this carbon. So actually, so you can see this is the nucleophile, and then this carbon, because of this carbonyl, so this carbon little bit electrophilic. So that's why this nucleophile attack directly to this electrophilic carbon and then break this bond. Okay, so then we have actually this intermediate. Okay, and then we have water actually, right? We have water in our reaction pot. So if you remember in equation, so then this is nucleophilic. This one attack this hydrogen and grab this hydrogen. Then we have this aldol product. This aldol product. So this is actually the after this step. So we call actually aldol addition. We call aldol addition. After this step we call aldol addition addition. So if you remember in my very starting, I talk about this is the aldol condensation reaction. So aldol condensation happening actually. So when we heat this reaction, so this when we have this aldol product, so when we start to heat, so we can have aldol condensation product. So it's happening like this. So you can see. So when we heat actually, so we have again here two acidic hydrogen, alpha hydrogen actually. So this one a little bit acidic. So when we have, because we have base in our reaction pot, so base OH actually, if you remember, this OH grab hydrogen, this hydrogen, and break this bond and make new double bond here. Okay, and then we end up with this intermediate. Okay, so then again this one, in this step you can see, actually in this step you can see this OH grab hydrogen and then remove actually water. So that's why we call this condensation reaction. Removing small molecules we call condensation. So it's removing from aldol. So that's why we call aldol condensation. So this is the condensation actually. So then actually in the last step, so you can see this again make new bond and remove this OH group. So then we have actually this aldol condensation product. You can see we have double bond here now like this. So this is the aldol condensation product. Okay, so this is the actual aldol condensation. Well, this is very simple mechanism for aldol condensation. So it's starting with the base. We can start with base also, base, and then when we start to heat, so we can have this aldol condensation product. It's very simple, no any complication. So you can understand very clearly. So this simple reaction mechanism. Okay, with that. So I will explain more mechanism in the later video. So until that, so I will meet you with another video. So thank you very much.